Hi, friends. Welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hey everyone, I'm Tom and this is Lily, and we are your English learning friends.
If you are new here, welcome to the family. We are so happy you found us.
Every single day, we help you speak English with more confidence. If you want the transcripts, vocabulary, and slow audio versions, check the join button below. And today we are talking about something very important, something that everyone thinks about.
Money.
Money! Yes, we are talking about money today.
And if this is your first time here, welcome to the family. We upload a new English lesson every single day, so please subscribe, hit that button. It takes 1 second and it helps so much.
And for everyone who is already part of the family, thank you. Thank you so much. You make this channel so special.
Okay, today's episode is called Let's Talk About Money, Easy Ways to Save and Budget. We have so much to teach you today.
Vocabulary, grammar, real stories, real conversations, all in English.
Let's go. But before we start, I have a question for you.
Ooh, what is it?
Tom did something very funny last week. Something about money, and at the end of this episode, I am going to tell you the full story.
Lily, no, please don't.
Oh, I am definitely telling them. So, here is your question for today. Tom went to the supermarket with a budget of $30. How much money did he spend? Was it $30, less than $30, or more than $30?
Please say 30. Please say 30.
Think about it. Listen to today's episode. The answer is coming at the end. Stay with us. Okay, Tom, let's be honest. How are you with money?
Lily, I am not good with money.
Really? Tell me more.
Okay, so last month I opened my bank app and I looked at my balance and I thought, where did all my money go?
Oh, no. What happened?
I spent $40 on coffee. $40 just on coffee.
Hang on. $40 on coffee? In 1 month?
Yes, I go to the coffee shop every morning before work. The coffee's $5.
$5 times 5 days a week times 4 weeks, that is $100 a month.
Wait, it gets worse?
Tom, I just did the math. It is actually $100.
Oh, I need to go home.
Don't cry. This is exactly why we are doing today's lesson, because money management is a skill, and today we are going to teach you that skill in English.
Okay, you are right. Let's learn together.
And our listeners are going to learn with us, because we all spend money on things we don't need sometimes, right?
So true. Even me, especially me.
Especially you. Okay, before we go into our big lesson today, let's look at a grammar point, something that is very useful when we talk about money and habits.
What grammar point?
We are going to look at the present simple tense for habits and routines. Because when we talk about money, we often talk about things we do regularly.
Like, I spend money every week, or she saves $10 every month.
Exactly. The present simple tense is for actions that happen again and again. Regular habits, regular routines.
The structure is very simple. For I, you, we, they, just use the base verb. For he, she, it, add an S to the verb.
Let's practice. I will say a sentence and you repeat it. Ready?
Ready.
I save money every week.
I save money every week. Now you say it at home. Go.
Great. Now try this one. She spends $50 a month.
She spends $50 a month. Did you hear that S on spends? That is the he, she, it rule.
Let's try one more. They make a budget every month.
They make a budget every month.
Beautiful! You are doing so well. And now we are going to use this grammar all through today's lesson. You are going to hear it again and again, so listen carefully.
And every time you hear a present simple sentence about money, notice it. That is good practice.
Okay, let's get into the lesson. Today we have 5 big ideas, 5 steps to help you save money and manage your budget. And for each step, we have vocabulary, examples, and of course, stories.
Oh, the stories, my favorite part.
Your most embarrassing part.
Also true.
Step 1. Let's talk about spending money.
Spending money. What does spending mean?
Spending money means giving money to buy something. When you go to the shop and you pay for something, you are spending money.
For example, I spend money at the supermarket, or she spends money on clothes.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I spend money every day.
I spend money every day.
He spends money on food.
He spends money on food.
Now one more. We spend money on things we don't need.
Oh, that one hits different.
Okay, Tom, tell them about the jacket.
So, last winter, I walked past a shop and I saw this beautiful jacket in the window. It was brown, it had big buttons, it looked amazing.
And?
And I went inside and I looked at the price tag. It was $150.
150?
But I really wanted it, so I spent the money. I bought the jacket.
And did you wear it?
I wore it once.
Once. $150 for one time.
I know. It was very warm that one time.
Okay, so here is the vocabulary word. Spending money. And Tom spent money on a jacket he only wore once. That is spending money on a want, not a need.
Correct.
And that brings us to step 2, needs versus wants.
What is the difference?
A need is something you must have to live. Food, water, a home, medicine. These are needs.
A want is something you would like to have, but you can live without it. A new video game, expensive coffee, a beautiful jacket.
A beautiful jacket you wear once.
Yes, that.
Let's practice. I will say something. You tell me. Is it a need or a want? Ready?
Ready.
Rent, your apartment payment.
Need.
A new phone case with a cat on it.
Want. Definitely a want.
Electricity for your home.
Need.
Bubble tea with extra pearls.
Ooh, this one is hard.
Tom.
Want. It is a want.
Good. Now you try at home. Think of 5 things you spend money on and ask yourself, is this a need or a want? That simple question can change your budget completely.
It changed mine, kind of.
Tell them the story.
Okay, so I was doing my budget one day, writing down all my expenses, and I wrote streaming subscriptions. I had 4 different streaming services.
4?
4! And I was paying for all of them. But I only used one. The others I forgot about.
You were spending money every month for nothing.
For nothing. So I asked myself, need or want? And I canceled 3 of them, and I saved $60 a month.
$60 just by asking one question, need or want.
One question, big difference.
So listeners, this week, look at your expenses. Ask yourself, need or want? It is the first step to saving money. Step 3, budget. This is a very important word.
A budget. What is a budget?
A budget is a simple plan. It shows 2 things, how much money comes in and how much money goes out.
Money in is your income, the money you earn from work.
Money out is your expenses, the money you spend on things.
The goal of a budget is to make sure your money in is bigger than your money out.
Simple idea, but not always easy to do.
Definitely not always easy.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I make a budget every month.
I make a budget every month.
Her budget has 2 columns, money in and money out.
Her budget has 2 columns, money in and money out.
Great! Now listen to my story about budgets.
Oh, is this the notebook story?
Yes. So a few years ago, I had no idea where my money was going. I was always surprised at the end of the month. My bank account was almost empty, but I did not know why.
That is a scary feeling.
So scary. So my friend said, Lily, make a budget. Just write it down, everything you earn, everything you spend.
And?
So I bought a small notebook and I wrote down everything for 1 month. And do you know what I found?
What?
I was spending $30 a month on phone games. Little purchases inside the games. $1 here, $2 there.
The small ones are sneaky.
So sneaky because each one feels small, but together, $30 a month.
Just from phone games?
Just from phone games. And when I saw it in my budget, I stopped immediately, and I saved that money instead.
That is the power of a budget. You can see your money. You can understand it.
So let's practice making a simple budget together. Think about your money in, how much do you earn in a month, and your money out, how much do you spend. Try to write this down this week. It does not need to be perfect. Just start.
Step 4, saving money.
Yes, saving money means keeping some of your money, not spending it.
When you save money, you put it to the side. You keep it for later.
For example, I save $20 every week, or she saves money by making coffee at home.
Making coffee at home, my nemesis.
Tell them.
Okay, so after Lily told me I spend $100 a month on coffee shop coffee, I was shocked. I decided to make coffee at home.
And how did that go?
I bought a coffee machine. I bought nice coffee beans. I watched videos about how to make the perfect coffee.
Tom, how much did the coffee machine cost?
$80.
Tom.
But I have used it every day for 6 months, so now I have saved money. Eventually.
Eventually?
The point is, making coffee at home is cheaper than the coffee shop, even with the machine.
Okay, he is right. It is cheaper in the long run. And that is a great small saving habit, making coffee at home.
Here are some other small ways to save money. Make a shopping list before you go to the supermarket and only buy what is on the list.
Cook food at home instead of going to restaurants, or try cooking at home more often.
Walk or use public transit instead of a taxi when you can.
And here's a good trick. When you want something that's a want, wait 24 hours. Sleep on it. Often you wake up the next day and you don't want it anymore.
That trick saved me from buying a second jacket.
What color was it?
Blue.
Oh, Tom.
I waited 24 hours. I did not buy it. Growth.
Growth. We love to see it. And our last vocabulary item for today, saving goal.
What is a saving goal?
A saving goal is a reason to save, a target, something you are working toward. When you have a saving goal, it is much easier to save money because you know why you are saving.
For example, maybe your saving goal is a holiday, a trip to another country, or a new laptop, or moving to a bigger apartment.
When you have a goal, saving feels exciting, not boring.
Instead of thinking, I cannot spend this money, you think, I am saving this money for my goal.
Let's practice. My saving goal is a trip to Japan.
My saving goal is a trip to Japan.
He saves $50 every month for his goal.
He saves $50 every month for his goal.
Now, tell them your saving goal, Tom.
Oh, my current saving goal is a new camera because I love photography, and my old camera is very old.
How much does it cost?
$300, and I save $30 every month.
So in 10 months, you will have your camera.
Exactly. And every time I want to spend money on something I don't need, I think about the camera, and I don't spend the money.
Aw, that is so smart. Your saving goal protects your money.
It protects my money from me.
What is your saving goal, listeners? Write it in the comments. We want to know. And there is one more tip. Use a piggy bank or a jar or open a separate savings account. Keep your saving money separate from your spending money.
When you can see your savings growing, it feels so good. It motivates you to save more.
And it works. I use a savings account, and every month when I see the number go up, I feel so proud. It is the best feeling.
You can do this. We believe in you.
Okay, let's do a quick summary of everything we learned today.
Number 1, spending money. This means giving money to buy something.
Number 2, needs versus wants. Needs are things you must have: food, water, shelter. Wants are things you like but don't need, like expensive coffee.
Or a jacket you wear once.
Or a jacket you wear once. Number 3, budget. A simple plan. Money in, money out. Write it down.
Number 4, saving money. Keep some money. Don't spend everything. Small habits help a lot. Coffee at home, shopping lists, waiting 24 hours before buying.
And number 5, saving goal. Have a reason to save. A trip, a camera, a new home. Your goal keeps you motivated.
5 steps, 5 words, and you can use them all starting today.
And the grammar? Present simple tense for habits. I save money every week. She spends money on food. They make a budget every month.
Use these sentences. Practice them. Make them your own.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
Spending time. Very good.
If you learned something today, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps more people find our channel.
And subscribe. We upload a new English lesson every single day. Every single day, so you can practice your English with us every morning, every evening, whenever you want.
We will see you tomorrow for another lesson. Take care of yourselves.
And take care of your wallets.
And your wallets. Bye-bye.
Bye.